catch up, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to quickly come in front of the camera and show you guys how I use hair remover to clean up my eyebrows. So pretty much I never really get my eyebrows done. I never get them waxed, threaded, anything like that. This is just my natural eyebrow shape. But what I will do is, because in this little area right here where my eyebrows are and my baby hairs are, is hair, and I really don't have a lot of space right there for my brows and my edges, so I like to clean that up so I can get like a distinct space in between those, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want people to get close to me and see like the little hairs right in between my eyebrows and my baby hairs. Like, it's just annoying, and I like to clean them up so my eyebrows can be precise, and so I don't have to use concealer, because I prefer not to use concealer to clean up my eyebrows on an everyday basis. I feel like it can give you a harsh look sometimes, and that's not always what I'm going for, especially when I'm going to work. I definitely like to just simply apply the makeup and go. So I'm going to show you guys, since I haven't done it in forever, I'm going to show you guys pretty much how you can clean up your eyebrows at home using NAIR or VEET in my case. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see my brows. So here are my brows, here are my baby hair, of course, and then right up in this area is where I'm going to be cleaning it up today. So I have just my little Stila mirror I'm going to be using to help guide me. And then let me actually zoom out so I can show you guys some of the products maybe. Okay. So first we have the VEET that I'm going to use, and for that I'm actually going to just pump out some right here on this paper towel that I have, so I don't have to use my hand. And I'll just take like one full pump. You really don't need the whole thing, but like a half a pump to a full pump. And of course you can't see it because it's white on white. And then I have just this like flat shader brush that I don't use for makeup or anything. I'm going to use that to clean up my eyebrows. I'm going to start with the bottom first. So as you can see, my eyebrow has like already defined shape to it. I'm just going to be cleaning up this area right here where you see those little hairs, and this area right here where you see those hairs. So yeah, let's get started. And you really want to take your time with this. You don't want to take off any excess brow hair that you don't want removed from your face, because trust me, it will come off if you're not at least precise. So yeah, I get pretty close under the brow. And then I'm going to take some above the top. And if you're a beginner at this, don't take too much at a time, because you'll find it kind of hard to control where the product is going to go. And you don't want to take out, like I said, any of your eyebrow hairs or like your baby hairs that you want to keep at least. All these up in here I do not want to keep. So I'll make sure I dab a good amount of that. On to the next. So I'm going to just repeat the same step that I did to this eyebrow on this eyebrow. I'm going to kind of brush it up with my finger. And then as you can see on this eyebrow, these hairs right here I want gone. And then these hairs right here. And honestly, I don't do this very often. I maybe do it once like every 2 weeks or something, maybe 3 if I feel like it. Honestly, if I just get lazy or I forget. It doesn't bother me. But if I know I want just a more put together look and I have extra time on my hands to pamper myself, this is the routine that I use. And I'll avoid that bump right there. I don't want to irritate it. I'm just gonna follow the outline of my brow and bring the product up. Alright, and you see I'm getting a little close to the edge right here, because honestly all that is just hair I don't want. I just want the little baby hair right here, and all this is just connected here. I'm gonna come back to the other side, make sure I got pretty close to the edge on where I don't want the hair. Then you can even clean up the middle of your eyebrows. I'm actually gonna do that today just for the sake of the video, but I never really do. I don't really have a lot of hairs in between there, as you can probably tell, but why not clean up everything, you know? Just be very careful with this step. You do not want to take the front of your eyebrow hair off, ladies. Be careful. Do this at your own risk, but make sure you keep a steady hand. And then I'll just, yeah, connect it. And then you can even bring the product in further under your eyebrows right there to sharpen it up. I don't really have any hairs under there, but like I said, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna put some product down. And there you go. I'm going to kind of just get on my phone, like my background. Oh, I unlocked it. Well, dang, I want to show you guys that my screensaver is, of course, my logo. But yeah, I'm going to get on my phone and just chill for a few minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. Pretty much what I'm gonna do, since I'm lazy, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. I got these from TJ Maxx for like $4. It's like the 60 count. Go to TJ Maxx for your makeup wipes, ladies. Save some money. Not sponsored. I'm going to take just a regular wipe, and I'm gonna wipe the NAIR off. Wow. I'm gonna show you the wipe when I get done. So you can see how clean they look. So here are the brows after. And as you can see the distinct space between my baby hair and my eyebrow again. And all the hairs that are under the eyebrow are gone. Starting for the other side. Clean line. Oh, put some NAIR right there. Clean line. And then the hairs underneath are gone. Okay, and the next one I'm gonna do to make sure that I don't break out or anything around my eyebrows, and just to make sure that I get all the extra NAIR off, I'm gonna take my toner, and I use witch hazel and a cotton round, and I'm just simply gonna apply a little bit and wipe that over my eyebrows. Like I said, this will prevent any breakouts, and it'll get the excess product out. So if you ever get your eyebrows threaded, ladies, or waxed, I definitely recommend going home and putting some witch hazel or some toner on top. It'll prevent those little bumps from getting on top of your eyebrows that I hear a lot of people get when they get waxed. And I probably could have stayed zoomed in so you guys can kind of see. But yeah, I'm just gonna wipe that area. Make sure I get all the like shed eyebrow hair and baby hair out of the way. So yep, cutting round is clean. So here, as you can see, I'm just gonna hold it up. That's like a little bit of dead skin actually in eyebrow makeup.